Hi guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I will show you how to make the Ethernet cable. This RJ45 jack. So show you how to make this Ethernet cable. So you need a machine like this. The cable. And remove this plastic. So you can see here is the 4 colors cable. First you have to take this orange color and you open this. You can got 2 cable. You can see here. One is half orange, one is full orange. So first you have to make straight the cable. First is half orange, then full orange, and then take the green color and take the half orange after half green after full orange, and then keep the full green side and open the blue color and take the full blue after half green and then put the half blue after full blue and put the full green after half blue. You can see, and then use this brown, when the half brown, keep the beside full green and full brown. You can see I have to make settings like this. Okay, so now we have to cut this all. Okay, and then now I will put inside the jack. Be careful, don't miss any cable. Okay, you have to put this inside. Okay, now put inside the jack the machine and punch it. Okay, and you can see it's done. So I have another one, same way I do. Cut the plastic. Open the orange color cable. First half orange, then full orange. Then open the green color, half green. Then open the blue color, full blue. Then half blue. Then full green. And then open the brown color. Then open the brown color, half brown, and then full brown. For that, you have set the cable. Okay, like this. And cut it from here. And push inside the jack. Okay, you can see, now put inside machine and punch it. and it's done. Make Ethernet cable. Is Cat6 3M company, made in Taiwan. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.